All right, we are back. As you can see, we've eaten the tacos. We still got a couple more over here, but now it is time to make our spicy mezcal margarita. Tell us about what we have here as far as the spread.
Okay, so I think the most important thing, there's two very important things when you're making a good margarita. A is your lime juice or whatever juice you're using has to be fresh.
Okay.
That's a great thing. People just use the mix.
Right.
People use the concentrate. Don't do that. This took me 5 minutes to squeeze all of this juice, and it's just worth it. It makes all the difference in the world. The second point is we need to know what we're dealing with. So we're gonna pour a little tequila here straight up, just so we do a taste test.
Okay.
So we see like what are we dealing with, you know?
I like that.
Yeah.
I like that.
And it's not a thing that we're just trying to drink. You know, one little finger for me.
Ahí?
No, tampoco.
Oh, okay.
There, that's
Okay.
Me puro ahí, I was like, what the hell?
I always mess with my boys, and I always like, okay, can you pour me something? I put a little beep, and they're like, dude, for real?
And technically, this is not a margarita, this is a shot. Pero so, you know, my Colombian side is like, pa arriba,
Pa arriba,
pa abajo,
pa
centro,
pa adentro, siempre.
Oh, that's good.
That is nice.
Has a nice smokiness, it's smooth. Okay, that's
I like it.
Tastes good, yeah.
I like it.
Notice how we didn't say much about the flavor, we're just ready to...
Yeah, no, it's good.
Okay, so we're gonna start off with, first let's do the rimming first. So we're gonna start off with, I like getting the glass, and you could do these two different ways. You could grab a lime, so grab the lime, and just wet it in the outside. The other technique is, you dip it like this, slant it, and then you come here, and you go to your Tajín, and look at that.
Wow.
That's how you do the Tajín.
Ahora sí, man. All right, let's see if I can match that.
You could do it. Look, I'm gonna show you how to do one more.
Okay.
And then you do two. So, slant it. Think about the Titanic.
Okay.
Slant it. Then you come back here. Shake off the excess. Bam.
Bam. All right, let me get in there.
Titanic.
Like that, Titanic, sinking ship.
Right. Sinking ship.
And then just like that.
Hashtag your 30, yeah. Pero, no.
Oh,
you put half of the bottle of the Tajín. No,
Oh,
throw that shit-
no.
Yeah, what?
I was like, what are we going to do with this now?
Okay, that's good.
Yeah?
Now let's try one more.
Okay.
One.
What are we going to do here?
Okay, let's try one more.
Okay. Ooh, wow.
Hey, while you're doing that,
Okay, pero like rest it like this?
wait, you didn't Titanic it.
No, I know. I just want to make sure before I Titanic.
When you put it in, type of thing, just shake it a little. Don't just put it in there. Like,
Okay,
just
I was
shake it
aggressive
around,
with it.
and then, yeah, you were aggressive with it. We don't want to be aggressive with the Tajín. So again, Titanic,
Titanic. Bam.
and then this is slight Titanic, pero add it slanted.
Ahí.
No, pero mira, you're already the way you're going in. There you go. There you go. Tilt it a little. Go in.
Like that.
Lightly. Let me see. No, pero un poquito más.
I don't want to get more in there. No, there we go.
There you go. That's much better. Wait, that's what the kitchen is, trial and error. And it's just, you have to have a sense of what the hell mentality that if it comes out good, and if it doesn't, you learn for the next time.
Exactly.
Okay, so we got here some of these these nice ice cubes for the
big
show.
ice cubes. I like that.
But here, oops.
That's okay.
Okay, so let's grab the ice cube and just put it there.
Perfect. Four, right?
Okay, yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, I'm gonna put this right here. Okay, next. So we have our Tajín done. We did our taste test. Maybe we have to do it. No, I'm joking. Okay, the next thing we want to do is we have to decide if we want spicy or non-spicy.
Okay.
We said we like spicy,
Yes,
so we're
absolutely.
gonna get some jalapeños.
Okay.
So you could add maybe 3,
Okay.
maybe 4.
I was gonna say I go crazy with the
Maybe
with
5.
the jalapenos.
And
Let's
where-
start with 4.
and
Let's see
where
where
do
that
we-
gets us.
Where do we leave the mud?
See, loaded with the seeds. The seeds are essential, right, to the
Yeah,
spice.
of course.
Right? Like, you don't
the
got
seed,
the seeds.
once you mash that up, those seeds are gonna bring out all of that little hint of spiciness and their essential oils and whatnot.
Right.
So how many did you add?
I put 4.
Okay, I'll put 3. You sure you don't want 5?
Fuck, why not? You know.
It's Friday.
It's Cinco de Mayo.
I don't
Let's
need
do it.
much because ya yo me levanté picante hoy. I'm already a little.
You already got it.
And then you're just gonna give this a little mash. I don't know if you see that. You know, you don't have to beat the shit out of it. I'm sorry, you don't have to beat the crap out of it. You just need to, a nice little smash and bam.
Perfect. Okay.
There you go.
All right.
And while you're doing that, I'm gonna add some ice to mine.
I can smell it. We got seeds flying everywhere. Have you ever like touched your eye after?
Bro,
Dude.
one day in culinary school, we were making a vegetarian chili.
Uh-huh.
Pero we probably used like 5 different peppers from I don't know what part of the world. Y en una de esas, I was crying and I get the palm of
Right.
it and I go like that and I guess I had touched one of those seeds, bro.
Dude.
Like about 4 days.
Yes.
I look like
Same. Same. No, it was bad. People thought I was sick or something.
Okay, un hielito.
How much are we putting in here?
It's just it's nice.
Okay.
It has no
Okay.
calories. Don't worry, bro.
You need some too?
I already have.
Oh, you already got.
Okay.
Okay.
So we're gonna start with our freshly squeezed lime juice.
How many limes
About
should
2
you
limes.
use?
Depends how many you're making for.
Right.
This is 10 limes.
Okay.
So this gave me a good amount. But when you go to the grocery, here's a nice tip. When you go to the grocery store, don't just grab limes. Like grab the softest
Right.
ones. And right now the limes are 4 for $3. So this is a luxury item, my friend.
It
so
is.
you need to make sure you get the softest ones because that's what's going to give you the most juice.
Right.
If you're just grabbing the hardest limes, you're not going to have any juice.
You're gonna
and
cut
gonna
it
be
and you're
mad
gonna
at the
squeeze
tip
and there's
I
gonna be
gave
3
you.
little drops coming
So you
out.
want to make sure that you get the softest. So that's what I did.
Okay.
I got my $12 worth. That's $12. Wow.
That's crazy.
That's more than
That's
$1.
insane.
I just realized I paid more than $1.
And that makes how many margaritas basically?
We're going to see now.
Okay.
No, it should make 2.
Okay.
Well, no. From this whole thing,
Yeah.
this is going to make about 2.
Right.
And then this will probably make about 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
How much am I putting here?
2 ounces, a little more, one more dash left. Okay.
Okay.
Then, so we're making a mango mezcal one. So we're gonna add some mango puree, about 2 ounces. And I'll share the recipe with you if you want to share it
Yes.
with everyone. 2 ounces. Mijo, that was like 6 ounces.
That was 6 ounces?
That was a shitload.
Oh, I was waiting for your signal.
Okay, I'm sorry. You blame it on me. What the hell? Okay, we're gonna add some passion fruit.
Okay.
The passion fruit, the maracuya, is just gonna add. It's just to. We're not trying to add maracuya flavor. We're just trying to add a little sense of what's happening in there.
Okay,
you know.
got it.
And obviously the mezcal is gonna help with that too. You know
Okay.
what's happening,
Yes.
but with life
Right.
type of situation.
Yes.
Okay, so
Which is why I like the
a
mezcal.
little dash.
Okay. Yeah, no.
A little dash.
No heavy hand here.
Yeah. I mean, unless we're making a passion fruit one, then
No.
Okay.
I'm personally someone that like more tequila, more jalapeno, and that's that's where I'm at.
Agave, a little
Okay.
agave. It's gonna add some sweetness to that. And mind you, these are both purees. You could find this in the frozen section, or you could make your own puree. But these don't have any sugar to it. Obviously, mango is already sweet, so this is just a little dash.
Okay.
Again, that little what's that flavor in there? We're gonna add a little dash of this this bitter. This is a Angostura bitter. Bam,
Okay.
a little bat. It's just a little dot.
Got it.
Like a teardrop. Yeah. Okay, perfect. And we need
The mezcal.
my friend, yeah. So you could pour yours, and then
Okay.
I see you're very you're
I
not
got a
as
heavy
generous as me. No,
No?
for you. No, for me, you gave me a little. Okay, so I'll pour my own.
Okay. I got you. All right, that's about right there. Ma? All right.
Milo, you didn't add anything. You're like those bartenders that they spend 10 minutes making a drink and it tastes like juice.
No,
Okay.
vamos. I'm all
now,
for that.
so this one's gonna probably make one. Okay. So
Yeah, we're
Close
ready
it?
to shake it up. Make
Yeah.
sure this thing's tightened up and it doesn't go all over the place.
and if it does, well,
Yeah. Then we gotta. Then
your
we
girlfriend will be
We
happy.
gotta party.
Okay. And then again, if it's righty, you want to go righty, and then just give it a nice little shake. You know, you do something like this. You go put some music. If you're trying to impress someone, you shake out, take out the guns. Okay, you give that a nice shake. And then one little thing I like to do before I pour it is I use this little top
Okay.
and I taste it. And that's gonna tell me if it's good or not,
Okay.
and what I have to adjust
Right.
before I pour it.
Smart. Okay.
And that tastes good. Mine needs a little more sweetness. It needs more tequila. What does yours need?
I think it needs more mezcal.
Yes, okay, you're right.
No.
Pero, depending on the mezcal you're using, make sure that you realize that these type of drinks, since we're using some good stuff, make sure that you're not like, oh, this is too light, and you keep adding, because it's just like those chick drinks,
Exactly.
so-called chick drinks.
I probably did it
that
to
after
myself
one,
because
you
I added
already
so
feel
much of
it.
this.
But I don't mind. I like living life on the edge, so I add some more.
The spice is good though.
What again?
Ma again? I felt like we already. Yeah. That's got to do it. If that doesn't get me there, then. Another little shake here.
Yeah. Okay.
This is gonna be good. This is gonna be good. Is this like a staple that you make regularly?
I don't know if I want to say regularly, but this is like
a go-to.
Yeah.
You know?
Is it a go-to? Yeah. Not every night.
No, claro.
Wait. I'm gonna give
You're
him.
gonna do another taste test? All right. I feel confident.
Mine is perfect. Actually, mine could use a little more mezcal, pero.
No, it's good. It's really good.
My mom every year she does the same thing to me when I make the coquito. I always let her try it, and she goes, and she moves it around with her 2 fingers. She's like, "Y esto tiene alcohol." And mind you, usually
like-
I'm like, "Wow, that has so much alcohol." She's like, "That doesn't have alcohol."
Oh my God.
So I'm like, "Mom,
It is
we're
very
starting the
palate
holidays.
dependent.
You don't want to like.
Yeah.
That's not what we're going for. It's about familia." She's like, "Sí, pero la familia con el alcohol también." Yeah. Okay. So now we're gonna. Are you happy with yours?
I am very happy with
Good
it.
amount of.
See, perfect.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay, so now we're just gonna pour it. And
Do you take off the tapita?
you have to no because
okay.
that's the strainer.
Yeah, okay.
That's the strainer. You just want to like that.
All the way?
Oh no, I didn't go all the way. I left
A little bit of room?
yeah. Look at that.
There you go.
I made perfect amount for 2 drinks.
I should have 2, no?
You should have up to 3.
Okay.
Your shaker is bigger than mine.
Yeah, I know. I was kind of worried because it was getting a little... We're getting there. It's coming up. Oh, there we go.
How funny. Your Jedi water bottle shaker is bigger than mine, and
And it made...
it made less than mine.
Interesting. I might have put a lot of ice, maybe? I'll say.
I know you didn't add enough of tequila. Okay, so you have this, right? Then the next thing we're gonna do is, we put all this love into it. Let's garnish it.
Okay.
So I get these little dehydrated limes.
Yes.
And I just like topping it with that, like that.
Okay.
It's about the little things, you know? It's about the little things.
presentation's everything, right?
And then
I mean, taste is important.
these ugly pineapple leaves that everyone throws away, you break them apart, you clean them, and you just put it right there.
Nice.
And hopefully it doesn't Titanic on me. If you add more ice, it doesn't Titanic. But
Okay.
we went light on the ice because we're on a diet. And mira, there. Put it there slanted. Look at that, bro. Doesn't that look like a restaurant style?
Let me see. Ahí, right?
Yeah.
You get it to sit up here. Oh.
No, you
just
Titanic the
Titanic
line,
my-
you Titanic. No, that's
the
perfect.
dehydrated line.
Yeah, there you go.
Ahí.
Doesn't have to be perfect.
Okay.
Anyways, so let's give it a try.
Let's give it a try.
But guess what?
I'm excited.
You're gonna try mine,
Okay, yeah.
and I'm gonna try yours,
Okay.
and then we're gonna see.
See which one
We
came
see
out
what
better.
happened.
Salud.
Hey, cheers.
Cheers.
Great stuff coming.
Yes.
Congrats on your first cooking demo, and
Thank
to
you.
many more to come.
Absolutely. Definitely got to do this again. Let's see.
Oh, this is good. You're right. It has a good amount of mezcal.
Oh, yeah.
This
That's
is
real
stronger than
delicious.
mine.
Probably. But
this
we
one-
went...
Okay, yeah, that's good. Okay, now put
Okay.
it down.
Okay.
Now try yours.
Let me see.
Cheers.
Cheers. Oh, yeah.
Yours is stronger.
Mine's my forte,
Yeah.
for sure.
Now you try both. No, I'm joking.
But it's got the perfect amount of spice. I think what did I do, 4 or 5 jalapenos?
No, I think for what you were trying to describe, you probably wanted like a whole jalapeno.
Sí.
And then you probably could have used maybe some sweetener in there. But
Okay.
it was good. This is
Yeah.
fun. This is what drinks is about.
Yeah.
And what I tell people, I'm like, on the next round, I'm gonna fix it. And then I messed that one up, and then I'm
Right.
like, on the next round. And then by the time we finish the bottle, I'm like, let's start a new drink like a mojito. And then on the next step, so you just make it fun.
This is delicious. This is
There
delicious.
you go, brother.
Hell yeah. Appreciate you. Love it. Like as we said, great. You saw it, simple, easy recipes for your Cinco de Mayo. I mean, it is the perfect setup, right? You got tacos, you got a little bit of spiciness. And if someone doesn't want to do spicy for something like this, basically just don't do jalapenos and you can kind of follow a similar recipe.
You omit the jalapenos. Something else is very popular right now are the mocktails that people some people are
huge.
not drinking. So you can make the margarita and omit the mezcal.
Okay.
And it's still gonna make a great drink. You
Okay.
know, just add a few extra bitters in there.
Right.
But it's gonna be a great drink.
No, delicious. Well, chef, appreciate the time. Of
course, brother.
Hope everybody got to enjoy this. Let us know. Show us your recipes. Hopefully we get to see you guys making this in the kitchen. And yeah, happy Cinco de Mayo.
Oh, yeah. Cheers.
Cheers. Salud.